Restoring the Christ, addressed by Lord Maitreya. Thank you, beloved ones. I come today to once again remind you that I am the Christ that beat your heart. I am the Christ in every man, come again. I am the Christ in every man, come again. I am the Christ in every man, come again. And expanding through the life streams of all the 10 billion souls belonging to this evolution, the fullness of the divine plan for each and every one. No more shall there be a single avatar. No more shall there be a single Christus. But in this hour of the second coming in divine Holy Christ Self, in every human heart is destined to take command of the outer form, and through it reveal the mastery of the God plan. O you beloved Holy Christ Self, beating the hearts of all mankind, I call to you today. Expand the virtue for which you were given individualization by the Father of Light. Expand the nature of the Father, Mother, God, given you before you took physical form. Expand and manifest now that part and pattern of the great divine plan for which you are allowed to come into embodiment by the great karmic board. O thou beloved Holy Christ Self within the hearts of all mankind, you hear my voice through the feelings, the minds, and the etheric substance and the flesh of these blessed ones gathered together. I summon you now. Draw on the glory of your own causal bodies. Magnetize the radiation that you have builded through the centuries that have been. Let loose the floodgates of divinity for which the individual I Am presence has sustained you through these eons of time. O thou beloved Holy Christ Self within all mankind, now is thy hour, now is thy day. Come forth and fulfill thyself for the blessing of all it is, to the human outer personality of each individual upon this planet. I say, in the name of Almighty God, which I am without limit, peace be still. No longer shall your destructive use of the human free will limit the expansion of the power of the Holy Christ Self within every beating heart, even beyond the veil of death. Particularly to those who have, through the mercy of God, been released from the compound I speak. No longer shall destructive use of free will be allowed you. I invoke the full release of the design and pattern of your Holy Christ Self this day, that there shall be no more Armageddon and struggle. To those who are standing at the gates of birth, whose karma is not yet fully consummated, I also speak. You who stand at the gates of birth, who have been given an opportunity to enter into this planet at the time when Saint Germain's magnificent golden age is being manifest. You who have been accepted while 2 others have been denied embodiment, I speak to you. I say, peace be still. I also give this fiat and decree in the name of the presence of God which I am, that the Holy Christ Self within you, as you come through the gates of birth and go through the process of maturity, shall be allowed full action to manifest divinity. To all those who are studying in the ascension temples, who have not yet made the ascension, I speak also to you, asking that the personality be stilled, and the Holy Christ Self within you be allowed full expression. Quickly now, the Lord cometh quickly now. I speak to all the beings of all the elements, water, fire, air, and earth, all imprisoned angels, every living thing, and all mankind. Hear ye these my words quickly now. Arise in the name of the Lord, stand ye forth redeemed and transmuted by his love, and fulfill the purpose for thy being. Lord Maitreya.